4 herbs that can lighten your skin. Go radiant. Many people concerned about dull, uneven and tan complexion that hinders the way of your development. Attainment of healthy and radiant skin is no more difficult now because here, you will get to know how to lighten your skin at ease. No need to get expensive beauty products for skin that only make you feel waiting with zero results. Rather use these potential effect remedies to get proven results. To lighten your skin is your basic right. Particularly, women of every age is more concerned about their complexion. Dark or uneven skin contributes to 1. Low confidence, 2. Less self-esteem, 3. Failure to achieve desired status, 4. Inability to get your goals. If you are finding them in you, surely you need to sort out some remedy. Don't go anywhere because here is the solution. Best herb combination to lighten your skin. Natural products always produce best results for skin. They not only tend to lighten your skin but also tighten it. Kitchen is the best place to find out herbal elements for healthy skin. Papaya with honey. Use papaya in combination of milk and honey for instant fairness. Take 2 TBS of ripe papaya, 1 tablespoon of milk powder and 1 tablespoon of honey. Add few drops of milk to make a thick paste. Apply it into face and leave for 20 minutes. Upon washing your face, astonishing results would make you surprised. You can use it twice a week to lighten your skin. Turmeric and tomato juice. Turmeric indeed helps improving skin quality with its superb antifungal properties. Use 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder with raw milk and tomato juice, make a paste and apply on face. Take it off after half an hour with lukewarm water. To lighten your skin, you can also use cleanser after its application. Aloe vera gel. This unique herb has dramatic impact for skin lightening. Take a leaf of aloe vera and cut its outer layer. Take out this gel. Now, apply this to overall face gently and leave for 20 minutes. Wash the face with plain water and feel the smoothening of skin texture. It is really amazing herb to lighten your skin. It also removes dark spots from skin surface. Cleansing with lemon. Clear and healthy skin needs removal of toxins from body. It is cleansing and exfoliating of skin that not only lighten your skin but also makes its texture perfect. Lemon is one for all solution to have a clear, glowing, radiant and healthy skin. Use its juice with honey, cucumber or tomato juice, since all of them are antioxidant to get back skin freshness. Apply the mask for 20 minutes and let it be dry. Upon washing, just see the results. Citric acid in lemon juice cleanses the skin internally and leaves you a bleaching touch. Besides all these applications, avoid excessive sun exposure and keep your skin hydrated. These regular masks will lighten your skin tone and you can effectively get rid of dark and ugly spots while making it glowing and younger. If you like the video, give a thumbs up and share with your friends for more health and fitness tips. Subscribe to this channel.